All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad mass problem. Right? This is very simple. 500 raised to power 500 divided by 250 raised to power 250. Now, what do we do? Let us split this one into 250. So this is something as saying uh, 500 raised to power 2 times 250. Okay, all over 250 raised to power 250. Okay, so now do you know that this thing is something as saying 500 squared then raised to power 250 and divided by what? 250 raised to power 250. Now, this thing is something as saying 500 raised to power 2 is something as saying 500 times another 500. Sorry, yes, 500 times another 500, all raised to power what? 250. Now divided by what? 250 raised to power what? 250. Now, if I share this for them, this is them now saying 500 raised to power 250 times 500 raised to power 250. Okay, all over what? 250 raised to power 250. Now, if you look at this, everybody has 250. So this thing could be written as what? 500 times 500 divided by what? 250. Then everybody should be raised to power 250. Okay? So if you look at this, you are going to have this into this is 2. 2 times this is 1000. That is 1000 raised to power what? 250. Which is what? 10 raised to power 3 raised to power what? 250. Which is what? 10 raised to power, I think, 750. 250 times 3, 750. 750. And that is the solution. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.